Welcome to the Dillon. I'm Kevin McBride and my co-agent Jessica Sheevey. We're going to be taking you up in the building today and showing you the views from the north up Peachtree, to the east over Peachtree Hills, to the south to Midtown and Downtown, and the sunset view to the west. Standing just inside the terrace of the L2 floor plan, where you have great views from inside the unit looking north up Peachtree. From your terrace, you'll also see the tree line view from Peachtree Hills, and you'll also get the sunset view to the west. This will be your view from the L3 and the L4 floor plans looking south to Midtown and Downtown. We're standing inside the L5 living room, just inside the terrace. From here, you're going to see the sunrise views in the morning to the east, and also the south view to Midtown and Downtown. The L1 terrace now, where you have great views looking north up Peachtree. You'll have the sunset view to the west, and you have a nice tree line view to the east from this terrace. I'm on the 9th floor now, standing between the L5 and the V4 floor plan. From the 9th floor, you're just seeing over the top of the tree line to the east of Peachtree Hills, and an incredible view to the south of Midtown and Downtown. Make an appointment to come visit us soon at our sales gallery located at 2395 Peachtree Road Northeast in the heart of Buckhead.